You got a letter, Jack. Who's it from?
I don't know, Daddy. I don't know.
Open it up. What is it?
It's a ghost!
What is it, buddy?
It's a ghost! Ghost. Yeah.
Who's it from?
What did it say, Daddy? What did it say?
Let me read it to you. Can I see?
It's a ghost. You see a ghost, Daddy?
It says boo.
Huh?
It says boo.
It says,
Happy Halloween to you. Love, Pop Pop and Grandma Sally.
huh?
That's from Grandma Sally and Pop Pop.
Daddy!
Look at that. That's $2, I think. That's a $2 bill.